Hey guys, Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. In this one, we're going to be talking about the newest mid-range phone from Huawei, Nova 7i. And guys, finally, na-upgrade na nila yung processor. No more Kirin 710. Let's go. Before we begin, guys, the entire team here at Unbox just want to wish you guys well. I hope you guys are safe. And please take all the necessary precautions when it comes to the coronavirus. There are more and more cases being reported here in the Philippines. There's no need to panic, but please take care of yourselves, wash your hands, and of course, boost your immunity. PSA over, now let's talk about the Huawei Nova 7i. But of course, before all of that, let's show you what comes inside the box, aside from the phone, of course. So we pretty much have the usual suspects, but this is a marketing unit, so we are missing one thing, which is the documents. Everything else is here though. You have a jelly case, SIM ejector pin, USB-C cable, earphones, and Huawei's supercharged 40-watt adapter. So there you have it, quick and easy. That's everything that comes inside the box except for the documents, of course. Now let's talk about the phone. And eto na siya guys, the Huawei Nova 7i. This is the crush green color variant, but it will also be available in midnight black and the gorgeous sakura pink color variant that I wish they sent us. It's something that I know the girls from the tech mob will like. And actually guys, ako din. So this device is primarily made out of polycarbonate plastic and generally it feels good in the hand, pero medyo malapad siya dahil sa frame and the lack of curves to make it more ergonomic. It's not too bad, pero it's definitely noticeable. So you have the volume rocker on the right side along with the power button / fingerprint scanner. Honestly, I don't know if I've told you this before, but I really like the implementation of side-mounted fingerprint scanners ever since I saw them on past Sony devices. The placement makes sense to me, but I was wondering about one thing. What about left-handed people? Do you just use your index finger? If you're left-handed, please let me know in the comment section how you would handle this situation. I honestly want to know. Anyway, you have a mic on top. Access to the SIM tray can be found on the left side, and sadly guys, you're only getting 2 SIM trays with the Nova 7i, so no expandable storage here. Lastly, on the bottom is the headphone jack, another mic, a USB-C port, and the speaker grill. On the back, you have the camera matrix of the Huawei Nova 7i in a very familiar orientation. I'm sure gets yun na kung sino yung kamukha niya. Anyway, we'll talk about the cameras a little more later. In front, of course, you have the screen. It's a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus LTPS IPS display. The folks over at Huawei says that it has a wider color gamut to give you vibrant colors as well as crisp details, and so far, it does deliver. The viewing angles are pretty good too, and okay naman siyang gamitin outdoors. I'm sure you guys have also noticed it, but there is a punch hole on the upper left-hand corner of the screen, which houses a 16-megapixel front camera for the Nova 7i. One thing that I know will be in the con section of our review in the future though is the speaker of this device. Let's just say that the highs are definitely emphasized, or in short, matinas siya guys. I would recommend keeping the volume at around 50%. It does get very loud, but this is definitely a phone that I would recommend using your earphones most of the time. So now let's talk about what's under the hood of this device, because finally guys, no more Kirin 710 for this mid-ranger. Sa wakas, we're getting a Kirin 810 on the Nova 7i. That's paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Again, not expandable, but that should be enough. In terms of performance, I've been pretty happy with this device so far. I've been playing a bit of PUBG plus Mobile Legends with it, and so far so good naman yung experience. Now, yes, you will have to use the Huawei App Gallery or third-party sources to get these games and some of the apps that you use on a regular basis. If you haven't seen it yet, we do have a video on how to do that, and I will leave a link for it in the description box down below. Now, for the battery capacity of this device, it has a capacity of 4,200 milliamp hours, and as I mentioned earlier, it supports Huawei's 40-watt supercharge. You should be getting at least a full day worth of juice with this phone, but I'll test it out further to be sure. As for charging, I tried it out for 20 minutes earlier and I was able to get from 20% to 70%, so not bad at all. You can charge your phone while taking a shower before leaving for work, and you should have enough battery life for the entire day. For the cameras guys, there are 5 in total on the Huawei Nova 7i. I already mentioned the selfie camera. There are 4 on the back with a 2x2 matrix pattern with a 48 megapixel main camera at f1.8, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Here are a handful of shots that we've taken so far, but we do have to take it around more to get more samples to see what it can really do. So lastly, syempre, pag-usapan natin yung price. And it was actually leaked a couple of days ago. The Huawei Nova 7i will be priced at $13,990 pesos. Of course, if you pre-ordered it, it will come with a few freebies like the free Buds Lite and a couple of other things. For more details, there's a link down below for you to check out. So that's pretty much it for the Huawei Nova 7i, guys. Let me know what you think about this new mid-range device from Huawei. Would you consider getting it? Why or why not? Leave your answers in the comment section down below. And that's it. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. For any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time. Again, take care, guys.